What is going on, guys? Right now we're on our way to go do our second detail on the channel. Maybe, I don't know if I posted the last one because it started raining, so this went bad. Anyway, I got all the stuff, I got all the supplies in the car. Today we're gonna be detailing a McLaren. I'm sure my boy got it nice and clean. I don't think he's gonna be needing a full detail, but he told me that he's gonna be going to a car show tomorrow, so we're gonna get him right. It's currently 6:20, which is a little late, but it was like thundering and raining this morning. So we were supposed to do it early, but we're gonna go do it right now. Try to get him nice, quick, nice little detail, and yeah, we're gonna take you guys there. My boy told me to pull up, that he's almost home, and we're gonna go ahead and check out. Oh my God! And we're gonna go ahead and check out his McLaren. All right, you guys. So this is what we're gonna be working on. We got a McLaren. Before we start, I like to just kind of go over everything. So, and the inside doesn't look dirty that much. We're just gonna throw a vacuum in. We're gonna do a thorough wipe down of everything, make it look nice and clean. Take all the stuff from in there. On this side, just a thorough vacuum. It's gonna do wipe down everything, doors, trim, everything. You got some money over here. You got some money? Take it right there. Gotta get in here. Yo, what up? Yo. Did I get the what? What up, bro?
What's going on,
Chilling?
George? His mom said you better eat it, bro.
Shit, I'm gonna eat this. What is that? That shit look crazy. It look good though. I'm about to eat it in a sec.
Oh, you've been trying that shit? Yeah, they got the cars and shit to give away. They haven't got me yet, bro. I know, I see what you mean. I seen them. They've been giving out like the Lambos and the and all, like, yeah. Yeah, right? I know. I seen them. On it so that the water doesn't stick. So when you like, you can drive away and it'll dry off. Like, I'm gonna have to put apágala, yeah. Sachi rope, folks. It's literally dark out. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this. Let's go ahead and dry it. Nice little dry, real quick. In that Sachi rope. What the heck is the bug doing there?